In this video, we will show how to use the My Tecplot customer portal to activate a single user license with an activation code, manually request a new Tecplot license key, request a license transfer, and contact technical support. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard with links to download releases of Tecplot software, manage licenses and keys, submit new and view existing support tickets, and edit information for your profile. If you haven't already done so, download and install the appropriate software for your license to obtain the myhostids.txt file containing the host information specific to your machine. For network licenses, download RLM for Tecplot to create the myhostids.txt file for the licensed server machine. For single user licenses, the fastest and most efficient method for activating your installation is to use an activation code. To find your activation code, go to the Licenses and Keys page. Find the activation code for the appropriate license under the column marked Act Code, and copy it. Open your Tecplot software and paste the activation code into the licensing dialog. Activation codes will automatically create a key and activate your Tecplot software. This code will also automatically update the key when you renew your license. Again, activation codes work for single user licenses only. To manually request a new license key, you will need the myhostids.txt file that is created in the main folder of your installation with the host information specific to your machine. If the myhostids.txt file is blank, the script to populate this file can be found in the bin folder in the main directory of the Tecplot installation. Copy the contents of the myhostids.txt file. Go to the Licenses and Keys page, select the license you want to activate from the list of licenses, click Create New License Key, and paste the contents of the myhostids.txt file into the field provided. Then click Submit. A new license key will be emailed to you, and the key is also available here on My Tecplot to view and download. Both single user and network licenses are allowed one active key. If you need to change the activation of a license to a new machine, you can submit a license transfer request. This link will take you to a form where you can input the new machine's host info. You must read and accept our license transfer policy before the request can be approved and the license key can be moved to a new machine. You can also view your active support tickets or create a new one from the My Tecplot dashboard. If requesting a new license key, please be sure to include the relevant license number and host information of the machine, preferably in the form of the myhostids.txt file. When received by support, they will respond with your new key and/or any answers to your questions. This concludes the introduction to My Tecplot. For any further questions, feel free to contact Tecplot support.